Wouldn't it be a perfect world to live in, to open a bottle of wine exactly like that? Well, the world isn't perfect, everybody, but I am going to teach you today how to open a bottle of wine professionally. So the first thing is I'm going to introduce you to the most powerful piece of equipment you will have in your wine bottle opening mission. And that is this, everyone. A waiter's friend. The go-to piece of equipment for all you budding sommeliers and wine drinkers out there. It has everything that you could possibly need. It has your little hook to be able to open your beer bottles. It has the corkscrew that you wedge into the corks. It even has a little ditty knife right at the top there if you require it to cut the foil. However, you can get other pieces of equipment to help you in certain aspects of this, such as this, a foil cutter. As you will see underneath, it has 4 little circular blades, very, very blunt, but you put it on top of your bottle of wine there and you gently crush it inwards to take off your foil, revealing the beautiful, beautiful cork. Here starts the fun bit. We release the corkscrew there in all of its glory. And remember, if you're going to do it properly as a sommelier would, you never put the bottle of wine on the table. Grab hold of the neck of the bottle, hold it tightly, and just gently screw the corkscrew in to the top. Don't turn the bottle, keep the bottle still. One thing to remember, don't put the corkscrew all the way through the cork, because all you'll be doing there is just going there at the other end and dropping little bits of debris into the top of the wine. Now that the corkscrew is 3/4 of the way in, we now use this, which is the shoulder of the waiter's friend. And by doing this, we can use this as a lever to be able to gently coax out the wooden obstacle that is the cork, to be able to release those beautiful, beautiful fragrances and smells from the wine. So you pop the first part of the shoulder onto the top there, and then you will pull the cork up slowly. Don't jerk it, because otherwise you will rip the cork, which again will just mean lots more debris in the wine. And then just as the cork, it can't be stretched out anymore, you then use the second shoulder there on the waiter's friend to release the cork there. Easy as pie, ladies and gentlemen, easy as pie.